नमस्कार। वृद्धि लीगल में आप सबका स्वागत है। मैं एडवोकेट निशांत मिश्रा। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एक ऐसे मसले पे जिसमें कोर्ट को एडजर्नमेंट करना पड़ गया सिर्फ इसलिए कि एक वकील साहब बनियान में कोर्ट में बैठ गए। इसी चीज को डिस्कस करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ मौजूद है हमारे पैनल में एडवोकेट सार्थक गुप्ता, जो कि खुद राजस्थान में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं एज अ लॉयर, और वहीं दूसरी ओर हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं ऋत्विक वर्मा, जो कि एक लॉ स्टूडेंट है। इस चीज को स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें यह समझना होगा कि क्या अगर कोई लॉयर किसी इस तरीके के इनअप्रोप्रिएट ड्रेस में आता है तो उसको कौन से कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस झेलने पड़ सकते हैं। क्या कोर्ट खुद उसमें कोई डिसीजन पे आ सकता है या फिर सिर्फ बार के पास पावर है वो डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शंस को लेने की। इसी चीज को स्टार्ट करने के लिए सबसे पहले चलते हैं एडवोकेट सार्थक के पास। तो सार्थक, प्लीज कैन यू लेट अस नो, लेट आवर व्यूअर्स नो कि आखिर जब ऐसा एक इंसिडेंट सामने आया तो कोर्ट को बकायदे ऑर्डर या जजमेंट में क्यों ये लिखाना पड़ गया कि वकील साहब बनियान में बैठे हैं?
See, basically, observation in the order was not restricted to this judgment. Previous two occasions पे भी ये चीज रिकॉर्ड करी गई थी कि सी अगर कोर्ट हेयरिंग्स हो रही है वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू, दैट डजंट मीन कि इट इज नॉट अ कोर्ट रूम। ठीक है, डेफिनेशन ऑफ द कोर्ट रूम एक्सटेंड्स व्हेन मीडियम ऑफ हेयरिंग डिफर होती है तब भी। तो एज अ अबंडेंट कॉशन यू हैव टू मेंटेन अ डेकोरम। ठीक है, बनियान में अपियर होना इज जस्ट नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल बिकॉज as an advocate also you have certain duty. There are certain rules which are applicable to you, that before facing to the court you need to not just address the rights of your litigant properly, but maintain the power and your responsibility towards that seat. So I think इसीलिए वो जजमेंट में ऑब्जर्वेशन आई है, नो स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन हैज बीन टेकन अगेंस्ट दैट लॉयर राइट नाउ, बट even otherwise, order or not order, it is a responsibility of every advocate to represent in such and such manner.
फाइन। ऋत्विक, आपको क्या लगता है कि जैसा सार्थक जी कह रहे हैं कि रिपीटेडली ऐसा राजस्थान में देखा गया और लगभग सेम कोर्ट में ही दो इंसिडेंट्स पहले भी हो चुके थे, जिसकी वजह से फाइनली क्या शायद जस्टिस प्रिवेल कराने के लिए और बेहतर प्रोसीडिंग्स को रखने के लिए कोर्ट को ऐसा ऑर्डर में लिखवाना पड़ गया कि वकील साहब बनियान में बैठे हैं इसलिए एडजर्नमेंट कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि कल को ये ट्रेंड में आ जाएगा कि हर कोई लॉयर किसी भी कैजुअल में आकर के बैठ रहा है और अल्टीमेटली जो एक डेकोरम है जैसा कि सार्थक जी ने भी कहा वो हैम्पर करेगी। आपका इस पे क्या ओपिनियन है?
Definitely, sir. Sir is definitely right. As we all know that the court is all about dignity and rules and regulations. But if advocates are not going to abide by it, then definitely it is going to affect each and everyone. Because when we see towards court and advocates, as we all know that sometimes we address advocates as Kala court. Many people do that. So as we all know that a carpenter is nothing without his tools. So we can definitely say that an advocate is nothing without his black coat. And if he is not going to abide by that uniform, and as mentioned in the definition of court in the Evidence Act, that it is being stated that a court is not a premises or something. A court, whether a judge or body is sitting. Fine. So if we went to Advocates Act after that, it provides the, I would like to mention like the section 1B of the Advocate Act mention about the professional code of conduct and etiquettes for advocates. So if the advocates are not going to abide by that, then definitely it's going to affect the image of this proper legal profession.
Fine.
And as that person, oh sorry, continue.
हाँ जी सार्थक, मैं एक चीज और यहाँ पे आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहूंगा, वो ये है कि बहुत ही रिसेंटली हम लोग सुनने में आया था कि काफी सारे बार में ये बात उठ रही थी कि गर्मी के समय में कोट और गाउन का रिलैक्सेशन दे दिया जाए, लेकिन एडवोकेट्स एक्ट में साफ साफ मेंशन्ड है कि कौन कौन से कपड़े आपको पहनने पड़ेंगे, जिसमें कोट है, बैंड है, गाउन है, प्रॉपर वेस्ट कोट है, सारी चीजें ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड है लॉ में। अब अगर कोई स्टैट्यूट आपको प्रोवाइड कर रहा है कि ये आपका यूनिफॉर्म है, तो किस तरीके से रिलैक्सेशन हमें कोर्ट के थ्रू मिल सकता है? क्या कोर्ट अगर स्टैट्यूट में तब्दीली लाएगा तो फिर से वही हो जाएगा कि कोर्ट इज पुटिंग देयर शूज इनटू द पावर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर, या फिर जिस तरीके से मध्य प्रदेश में भी लास्ट ईयर हुआ था कि गर्मी के समय में थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन दिया गया था कि आप कोट और गाउन ना पहने तो भी चलेगा, अगर उस चीज को मद्देनजर रखा जाए तो क्या वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग में सिर्फ बनियान में आ जाना जायज नहीं माना जा सकता?
देखिए, इफ यू सी प्रॉपर्ली एडवोकेट्स एक्ट जिसकी आप बात करें कि रिलैक्सेशंस हैं, वो सेक्शन 49(1)(g) में
Exactly.
बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया को रूल्स बनाने की पावर
हाँ जी।
दी, दैट फॉर्म
हाँ जी।
सिमिलर टू व्हाट डेलीगेटेड लेजिस्लेशन होता है।
Fine.
इफ यू रीड दैट सेक्शन प्रॉपर्ली, उसमें स्पेसिफिक मेंशन है टू रिगार्डिंग क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस,
Fine.
जहाँ पे ये मेंशन किया हुआ है द रूल्स, मतलब बेसिकली इट इज द सिस्टम ऑफ पुटिंग वर्ड्स इन टू माउथ कि भाई जो रूल्स आएंगे दैट शुड बी इन कंसिडरेशन ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस।
Exactly.
सो जो प्रिवेलेंट प्रैक्टिस है जो मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट में हुई, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द कोर्ट्स जो नॉर्दर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में है, इवन दिल्ली एंड फॉर दैट मैटर राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट में भी जो वेकेशन बेंचेस होती है ड्यूरिंग समर वेकेशन मई एंड जून, उसमें देयर इज अ रिलैक्सेशन ऑफ गाउन, because कोट के ऊपर वो गाउन adds little to humidity and the summer environment. That is okay, but that would not justify you coming before the court in a banyan.
Fine.
Suppose for that matter, अगर if you consider बहुत सारे courts होते हैं, even trial courts वगैरह में जहाँ पे summoning of witnesses होती है, ठीक है, though there is no strict provisions कि भाई how a witness should be dressed. But certainly if some witness is there bare body without clothes, that should socially it is not unacceptable to produce him before the court.
Fine.
Police and other people who produce them for remand or witness के orders comply करने के लिए necessary, मतलब it is not everything which is not written somewhere does not mean that okay you have to be in spoon fed by all the rules.
Fine.
So, if that advocate would have been in a normal shirt and then very strict action should have been taken, we could have still understood the sympathy of that advocate.
Agreed.
But appearing in banyan, obviously we do not know the other story of the advocate. Maybe he was taken by surprise. He was not expecting a call at that moment. He might have missed the cause list. So maybe because when you receive a call, it is never mentioned that you are receiving a call from Rajasthan High Court.
Okay.
So if he was not taken by surprise, if he was aware, then obviously he to some level he is a little wrong. But otherwise, it is a normal system of prudence that you must not appear before the court in a undervest or something.
Fine. Ritvik, what do you think? जहाँ पे रूल 49 बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया रूल्स और एडवोकेट्स एक्ट में भी चीजें मेंशन्ड हैं कि एक डिग्निफाइड जॉब है और जो भी ड्रेस में आप पहुंचेंगे प्रेमाइसिस में या फिर कोर्ट की प्रोसीडिंग्स में वो सोबर और डिसेंट होना चाहिए। अब सोबर और डिसेंट के लिए कोई ऐसा जजमेंट नहीं आया है कि व्हाट विल नॉट आउटरेज द मॉडेस्टी और डेकोरम ऑफ द कोर्ट और द प्रोसीडिंग, बट स्टिल व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि क्या चीजें ऐसी हो सकती है? ऑब्वियसली कि फॉर्मल ड्रेस में आप पहुंच के दैट इज सोबर, बट कल को कोई टी शर्ट में बैठ गया, not in banyan but in t-shirt or something which is not that formal, a funky shirt, then will that be acceptable?
Sir, as far as I believe, that would not be acceptable, as far as I believe, because
Fine.
judges are almost considered as gods.
Fine.
In the temple of courts.
Okay.
Fine. Sir,
Fine.
definitely, because sir, if you are going in front of your god, so how can you be so lenient about it?
Okay.
That is why I think that it won't be acceptable. And as far as I believe that, as sir also told that there are two incidents which also happened, and whenever we are getting a call, as sir mentioned that sometimes we are not aware of the call, but nowhere it is mentioned that we have to pick a call as soon as it right now. And if that
again it's your god's call, how can you miss that?
Sir, I'm not asking to miss that call,
Yeah.
but sir, at least that call can wait for 10 to 5 seconds, and I don't think that it takes much more time to just to wear a coat over a t-shirt. Right. And if you're wearing that vest also, he could have worn a coat over that or a shirt over it. Right. That would, I think, believe that would maintain the dignity of the court.
Okay, so Sarthak, what Ritvik is saying is this, that he could have taken that case in revised cost list during a video conference. Yeah.
No, to a limited extent, necessary precautions are being taken.
Yeah.
I don't know whether they are being implemented in every case, but
Hmm.
when your case is listed in a cause list, you get a call at 8 a.m. to test the connection,
Okay.
because maybe that might have skipped for his case. So that is
Possible.
kind of a warning call, because if you are 8 o'clock, you are aware that okay, I'm expecting a call. The court is not
Yeah.
going to sit beyond 2 or 3.
Fine.
So
Exactly.
definitely you are a little prepared with the files, with the facts, with the judgments you want to rely.
Hmm.
So maybe in this present case, it might have just skipped, because sometimes the calls are not reachable. The network also is an issue, because
Yeah.
we do not know about the advocate also, whether he resides in a rural area. With so much transition and lockdown happening, you never know
Exactly.
which area he is being put up in right now.
Yeah.
So
So,
probably.
Sarthak, basically, what challenges these lawyers are facing once we are on the video conferencing? As you said, that people are even in the remote areas, lawyers come from such areas where network is not that good. Then, in such a condition, how these kind of video conferencing will help in administration of justice? One thing. Second thing I would like to discuss over this panel is this, that if such kind of calls are being missed or such kind of things are being missed, then what is the criteria of putting the cases in the next calls list in Rajasthan court right now? Any
Uh,
idea?
so I'll address point wise. First is,
Yeah.
see, technology we have to adapt some at some point of time. With lot of
Yeah.
files being cumbersome, initial step has to be taken. Okay, technology and innovation always comes with a revolution, and revolution comes with a cost. Okay, you
Agreed.
cannot wait for all the lawyers to be technical friendly. At the most,
Definitely.
you can do it, not make it compulsory, but ensure and promote, like what we did with our directive principle state policy, is that these were guidelines, and as soon as we know the state is prepared now to enforce them, you change it, and by appropriate notification put them into enforcement or legislation. So
Hmm.
that the similar ways we can do it with courts also,
Yeah.
that basically, because it not just saves the time of the advocate, but it ensures the early disposal also. When you are
Hmm.
not ready, you are just there to seek adjournment. Not just your day, but the day, some limited time of the bench is also wasted. So all
Hmm.
of that can be ruled out if video conference hearing takes place through video conferencing. Plus
Hmm.
now we see, because Rajasthan being very near to Delhi, there are many times when councils from Delhi are senior councils from Delhi are being regularly appearing coming. So
Yeah.
a lot of their time and efforts is also can be saved.
Agreed. Agreed.
See, sometimes it happens that the council is traveling, so he missed on all the cases of Delhi, and only to realize that the presiding officer in Jaipur is
Hmm.
not sitting, or is on leave,
Hmm.
or maybe his
Yeah.
case missed to be reached. So that way, it's a lot of positive approach to make it. But obviously, we should give due consideration to people who cannot cope up with the technology. But
Hmm.
I think yes, when we are changing and technology is giving such a great hand, we should make best use of it.
Yeah.
Secondly, regarding the cases which get missed, generally it's like 1%, 2% of the cases are such which gets missed, because more than
Okay.
the judges, the lawyers are very concerned, because it takes a lot of effort to get the case listed also.
Agreed.
In certain time when you cannot move out of your houses, to get it listed by repeated, there's a portal on the website where you mark
Hmm.
the case urgent. So if after that much efforts, if you get to know that okay, tomorrow your case is listed, you are more prepared than anyone else to get the
Yeah.
relief for your client. But somehow, if by technical error or something it gets missed, so whatever date is like the instant case we are talking about, is maybe there's a next date listed is
Hmm.
given. Ki I'm
Okay. Okay.
adjourning the matter, and let's this matter on so and so date. So
Yeah.
appropriately, a fixed date is given, and the courts have been very. They ensure that by end of the day, like today evening, also whatever cases are there, even if it's the smallest order of adjournment, every order sheet will be updated. Nobody
Fine.
has to
Fine.
go bother the registry to find out the next date.
Mm-hmm. And do you think, Sarthak, that once this kind of a trend will continue, and if the lockdown extends, this thing will continue, and even the litigants will also get a chance to be a part of video conferencing with their mics mute?
Yes, I think one of the test trial was done by Justice Patel of Bombay High Court through a Zoom
Okay.
video. So
Mm-hmm.
he tried it for a day, and he realized that many of the people who was party to that conference, there was a
Mm-hmm.
lot of noise. So next day, what he
Yeah.
his portal was made curatively for him, that only three positions were there where mics and videos could be on. That was, one was judge
Okay.
and one was advocates of each side.
Okay.
Ye-
Fine.
So that guideline was uploaded also. So if that
Mm-hmm.
could be ensured, because now what high courts have done, they have with NIC Department of Government, they have
Mm-hmm.
created exclusive apps for each high court. So
Yeah.
I think Jitsi is the app for Rajasthan High Court. So
Mm.
probably with people getting used to the technology. See, right now the judges also, they are not very used to. The advocates are not very used to, and you
Agreed.
cannot step outside your house to learn also.
Yeah.
So once this whole thing is relaxed, and once you start using this on a regular basis, I think, yeah, it will do more good than it would create problems.
Agreed. Okay, Ritvik, what do you think that if litigants will get a chance to be a part of that video conferencing, so they will maintain that trust and rapport with their advocates? Because what I feel that since the litigants or the clients are not there on the video conferencing, then they sometimes feel that वकील साहब तो कुछ भी बताते रहते हैं, ऐसा थोड़ी हुआ होगा, है ना? तो अगर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस में क्लाइंट्स को या लिटिगेंट्स को भी मौका दिया जाए कि वो म्यूट माइक के साथ ही प्रोसीडिंग्स को वॉच कर सकें, तो क्या बेहतर वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग होगी? ऑल्दो इट माइट बी अ काइंड ऑफ अ बर्डन ऑन द सर्वर ऑफ द हाई कोर्ट्स और द लोअर कोर्ट्स एज वेल, बट ऑन द अदर हैंड क्या ये चीज बेहतर हो सकता है इसके थ्रू?
सर डेफिनेटली ये बेहतर हो सकता है, और उसके बाद से जैसे प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती हैं, वो जब बेटर सर्वर मेंटेन कर सकते हैं, तो हमारे जो कोर्ट्स हैं वो भी बेटर सर्वर तो मेंटेन कर ही सकते हैं सर। और इसका एक सबसे बड़ी चीज है कि दैट ट्रांसपेरेंसी वुड बी मेंटेन्ड, बिकॉज ये फैक्ट है कि बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं कि दैट जो उनके एडवोकेट्स हैं, और कुछ एडवोकेट्स होते भी हैं, आई वुड नॉट ब्लेम एवरीवन, बट कुछ आई वुड से डेफिनेटली लेस देन फ्यू जो कि लिटरली करते हैं ऐसा, दैट दे से समथिंग एल्स टू देयर क्लाइंट, एंड व्हेन दे आर इन द कोर्ट दे समटाइम्स से समथिंग एल्स, because we have seen in many cases, I would not mention any example of something, but there are some litigants, there are some advocates who mention something that is out of their league. I would
Fine.
say that that is against their profession, so
Trying to
that would
mislead
create a
their
transparency.
clients.
Indeed sir, indeed.
Fine. Okay, so now one last take on this issue. That Ritvik, what do you think? What disciplinary action should be taken against that lawyer, or whether he should be granted one more time chance? कि ठीक है भाई, next time don't do this thing, don't repeat it.
Sir, as the court has taken, I would say, as I have mentioned it earlier, that court is just equal to God. I would
Okay.
not say anything against it, but as they have done it, that they've just mentioned the guidelines and they have referred the case to the Bar Council of India. That is, they may, if they want, they can take the disciplinary actions against it.
Fine.
I think that is fine.
That is sufficient for you. Okay, Sarthak, what is your take on that?
Yeah, definitely, because see, any which ways, any proceedings cannot be conducted unless an opportunity of hearing is being given to him. So
Fine.
more than deterrent, I think it should be retributive or restructive approach that should be followed. That okay, once we have set an example that okay, now we have cautioned everybody, and if somebody is doing it deliberately, he should be punished. This person is already punished. His case has been already adjourned.
Adjourned. Yeah.
And bail matters are very very cumbersome.
Crucial.
Yeah, you adjourn it for a longer period. It affects,
Yeah.
because advocate is answerable to his client once he has
Agreed.
already assured that the matter is listed. Then a huge damage to his name is already been done. So more
Agreed.
than that, I do not think he should be more further punished.
Right.
Whatever reasons it is, that is before we could have found him guilty. So
Fine.
when he's already faced the consequences, I don't think so many like anything other should be done.
Fine. तो दोस्तों, देखा आपने कि किस तरीके से अगर कोई भी लॉयर इस तरीके का मिसकंडक्ट करता है या इनअप्रोप्रिएट ड्रेस में बैठता है, तो कौन कौन से कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस उसको फेस करने पड़ सकते हैं और कौन कौन से रूल्स के तहत उसका प्रॉपर ड्रेस और अप्रोप्रिएट यूनिफॉर्म डील होता है। इसके अलावा जैसा कि हमारे पैनलिस्ट ने बोला कि ऑलरेडी जो भी डिसीजन ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने लिया है वो सफिशिएंट है, और अगर बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया चाहेगी तो उस प्रॉपर वकील के खिलाफ एक डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन लिया जा सकता है। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। थैंक यू ऑल फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। Keep watching Vriddhi Legal. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.